Hi dolls. Welcome back to my channel. I am Ayanna if you're new here. If you're returning, hey girl, hey. So as you can see, I'm back today with another hair video. My hair is freshly washed and blow dried. It is Thanksgiving Eve and I just wanted to do something to my hair. I know I've been MIA from doing hair videos, but y'all, I just been going through a lot and my head has been tender. If you do not know, I had brain surgery and my head is sore as peeps. So I haven't been wanting to put any rollers or do anything to it, but it's getting better. It's not normal, but it's getting better. So I think I'm ready to put some, you know, dial me up a little bit. Plus it's a holiday, so we'll see. So I'm using Flexi rods today. I have 9 here. I have more if I need them, but I want bigger hair, so I'm using less rods. The bigger the hair, the less you want, unless you want small curls for big hair, and I don't want that look. I want like just big bouncy hair. Products I'm using today is the Smooth and Hold Pudding by Olive Oil. And a lot of body with Milk Honey Refining Mousse. Both of these, I got these from the beauty supply store, but if I can find them down below, I'll link it down below if you're interested. My hair is dry. I also got this package, a PR package from this company called Grow and Nourish. I opened it a little bit because I didn't know what it was, but it's a hair growth oil. And this comes in black packaging, but look at the packaging, you guys. It's so cute. This comes in like a black tube. It reminds me of like the, I don't know if you're familiar with the water Voss, but this is what it reminds me of. But it says Grow and Nourish Hair Oil. 100% natural. So this is supposed to help your hair grow. I'm going to use this because, like I said, I had brain surgery, so this side of my hair is shaved. And this is the growth from June, which is not very much, but that's what happened the first time. This was my second brain surgery, so we'll see. There's also a note in here in the package. I didn't even know this. It says, "Dear Ayanna, we are so happy to be working with you. We hope you enjoy our products, and we are so excited to see your review. Thanks so much for your review. We truly appreciate your collaboration." Oh, that's nice. Okay, so it's in a thank you note also. But thank you, because I need this oil. Just going to see what it smells like. So you just take the top off like the water Voss. That's exactly what it reminds me of. And then it comes in like this tube and this bottle. This is really neat. I like this. Fancy. It says apply 8 to 10 drops on scalp and gently massage into scalp for 2 to 3 minutes. This has grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, Kanaga, odorata. Listen, honey, I don't know all these ingredients, but if you want to read them, you can pause it here and read all the ingredients. But I'm going to go ahead and try it. It smells really herbally, like natural herbs. So I'm just going to put some drops on my head and massage it in. I'm putting it all over, even though I'm worried about that spot because, I mean, I got my hair cut, so I could use some growth. Yeah, this definitely smells like herbs. So when they say all natural, I believe it. There's no like fragrance or anything. So I just put about 8 drops around my hair. I'm just rubbing it into my scalp. Smells like a little bit like some weed. So if cannabis make your hair grow, I'm all for it. That's it for that. I'm gonna part my hair. Just got my wide tooth comb here. This is actually my wash comb, but I don't feel like getting up to get another one, so I'm just gonna use this. Part my hair into sections to roll it. Like I said, I only got about 9 flexi rods, so that's about what I'm going to use. So when you do flex rise, you don't have to necessarily part. Most of the time I don't. But today I am. So I'm going to part my hair in about 4 sections and split them in half. I'm going to start with the putty, then go on with the mousse. I'm not real big on digging my hands and stuff. I hate that actually, so I just use the tip of my brush. I'm going to take about this much. This pudding is creamy. And these creams, to me, makes my hair last longer. So I like the base of cream. Only thing about make sure you shake up the mousse. The only thing about the olive oil that I'm not too crazy about is the smell. It doesn't stink, but it's like a, remember 90s beauty shop grease type of smell? Smells like that to me. You grew up in the 90s, you know I talk about the Marcel curlers and some Blue Magic Girl. It's like mixed to me. That's what it smells like. But anyway, that's what I put on first. I brush it through to make sure it's equally distributed. Take the Flexi rise, start from the bottom. Make sure you wrap the tip around because you don't want no frizzy ends. And roll away from you. And just make sure it's tight so it's not falling loose. Then move on to the next piece. You can part your hair however you want. And I'm just going to do this all the way around.
Back to the track, back to the snap. 1, 2 step, then you gotta lean back, gotta lean back.
And that's what I'm gonna do all the way around. I'm sure y'all don't want to listen to me talk, so I'm gonna speed this up. Enjoy the music, girlfriend. So I just used a pick and picked it out. If you want it bigger, keep picking. This is fine, but as the days go on, the hair is going to get bigger, so tomorrow it's going to be even bigger. I just wanted to show you guys the final results. I hope you like it. Let me know down below if you're going to try it. Okay guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get your hair looking popping like mine. And I will see you in the next video. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. See you next time. Bye.